This 10-acre waterfront property offers fishing, hunting, a huge workshop and garage, a 2-story shed, and a mobile home in excellent condition. Leaving Parkers Ferry Road and entering the gated property, you'll love the extended driveway past the pond with living areas set back far from the road. You'll find privacy and amazing features on this very special retreat. The 45 by 60 foot cinder block garage warehouse with 10-foot ceilings is perfect for auto storage or a live/work business and is wide open inside, designed with no internal support beams. The double-wide mobile home has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and is in excellent shape and well maintained. The third structure on the property is a 15 by 15 red barn with 2 stories and plumbed with 220 power, water, and bath fixtures. As you head to the water, you'll enjoy a beautiful wooded pathway perfect for ATV, or enjoy the walk to the Edisto River where you can fish, boat, and enjoy the outdoors. Your new retreat awaits you and your family. Build your dream home in your own private oasis.